my assumption is to bump some stops. Yesterday's resistance zone is 96.25. It's a great trade. Anybody that got, once this comes out this direction, remember we talked about the pipe, we said it would be very difficult to get through all in one shot. If this comes this way, the news is bad and comes out, we already know, we chose 84 to 82 as support, right? So we already know our targets on the long side. First target, obviously you got to take out the 89 zone, and once that goes, then these successive targets become available, especially the 91.5 gap fill. And then obviously, if we get by the 92s, you're looking for the 95, which is the overnight demon. And then strictly a trailer to bust stops, anybody that in light volume. So this is what we talked about, a slingshot type trade will come out hard and fast when you least expect it. And we talked about that earlier. Everybody gets complacent. Charlie loves to short 85. I said, the boys are going to defend this zone. Not 85, they're going to defend between 85 and 82. Just the way they play. So we said 2-way day likely, meaning we're assuming that yesterday's high is now significant and still resistance for now. And anybody that waits for the demon test, if you are a trader that likes to short, you know, say the demon, you want to wait for 95, the 96 zone, you're better off playing into it. Just go with the flow. Get something once we get this 89 zone taken care of. Because all this is that low overnight volume. And all the traders who just keep calling for, hey, we're going down here, the market zigs and zags. Said early today, very rare that we will get, you know, 3 days in a row without a punch in the face. Here's the punch in the face today. This is the way the boys operate. Okay, we said today, if you take a trade short side and it does not work, don't drag along losers. Take your stop out and get to the sideline, try one more time. And anybody who played, you know, our suggestion trying to get to the half gap and then possibly the gap, that this is obviously the aggressive resistance in here, the 92s. So that's still going to be a player today. And there are a lot of traders who got caught who are going to wiggle out, so it's not going to be easy to plunge. And a lot of this game is designed to knock out traders and stops and not allow them to get position. That's why we said we have the luxury. We can play either way. Position traders, because we did not have any move, short side, backside, coming backwards by the end of pre-market. This is where we get it and get it in spades. And you don't have to do a thing. If you made a great trade, and this is the hard bar right here, because this is the news bar. So if you're flat, and you have to make a determination, do you want to join that push? You know, you missed the bottom, obviously, but if you got part of this, so this is double rotation, and I'm going to be using this 98 for resistance zone right now. I think this is the right resistance for now.